All right, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the system of linear equations. So in this case, the specific method to use is not given. So basically, we can use either elimination method or substitution method. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be solving this system of linear equations by both elimination and substitution method. And I'm going to be getting the same answer. So to make this, so let's start with what? Elimination method. Elimination, method. So for me to use elimination method, so first of all, for us to use elimination method, we need to label the equation. So for the purpose of this, I'll call this equation 1 and I'll call this equation 2. Now for elimination method to make sense, either each of these terms are the same or each of these terms are the same. So if each of these terms are the same, it implies that we are eliminating x so as to make y the subject of the formula. And if these terms are the same, it implies that we are eliminating y in order to find x. Then we can do necessary substitution. But that does not happen here. So all we just need to do is to multiply equation 1. So in this case, I want to make the terms of x to be the same. So I'll multiply equation 1 by 3, right? And I'll multiply equation 2, right, by 2, right? So that will make these terms on this side to be the same. Then we'll now decide if we are going to be adding or subtracting. Okay, so let's just do that first. So 2x times 3, that will give us what? 6x, right? Minus 3y times 3, that is what? That is minus what? 9y. Will now be equal to what? 13 times 3. And that will give us what? 39. Okay, for this second one, minus 3x times 2, that will give us what? Minus 6x. Then 2y times 2, that is what? Plus 4 what? Y. Then is equal to what? Minus 12 times 2, that will give us what? Minus what? 24. Now if you look at this, for us to eliminate x, we are not subtracting. We only need to add these two equations. So when you are adding or subtracting, as the case may be, whatever sign you bring outside here will affect everything inside the bracket. So in this case, what we are doing is we are actually what? Adding. The reason why we are adding is because x here is already negative. So 6x minus 6x will give us 0. Why? Because plus times everything here will make them to remain the same. So in that case, let's go ahead. Plus times minus is still minus. So 6x minus 6x, that is what? 0. Plus times plus is plus. Minus 9 plus 4. That will give us what? Minus what? 5y. Will now be equal to plus times minus is still what? Minus. Then 39 minus 24. And that will give us what? 15. So at the end of it, we are going to be having what? Minus 5y is equal to what? 15. What we do is divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is minus 5, right? Minus what? 5. This cancel this. So we have y is equal to 15 divided by what? Minus 5. All right. And that will give us what? Minus 3. So y is equal to what? Minus 3. So that has been done. Now, there's nothing to eliminate again. All we just need to do is to substitute the value of y in either of equation 1 or equation 2. So let me use this p. Now it says substitute what? Y, which is equal to minus 3 in what? In equation 1. So I want to substitute in equation 1. What it implies, wherever I see y in equation 1, I will replace it with minus 3. So equation 1, we have what? 2x minus 3y is equal to what? 13. So this will now implies that 2x minus 3 into bracket, what is y? Minus 3 is equal to what? 13. So this will give us 2x minus 3 times minus 3. Minus times minus, that is plus. 3 times 3, that is 9. Is equal to what? 13. So 2x will now be 13. This one coming here will become minus what? 9. So 2x will now be what? 13 minus 9. And that will give us what? 4. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, divided by 2. So at the end of it, we have that what? X is equal to what? 4 divided by 2. That will give us what? 2. So in that case, therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. So if you write the in coordinate form. So the solution is x comma y, which is equal to what? 2 comma what? Minus 3. So that is that about that. All right, so that is that if we are using elimination method. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you solving the same problem and using substitution method. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Try and encourage me to produce more. See you in the next video. Thank you.